Hello there. Today we're just gonna go with the trend that they don't know us. So today we're not gonna do the same words as them, and then we're gonna just use our own words. So we're gonna just say, like, for instance, here I wrote I have wings to fly. So with this one I says Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas to you. And then this one, it says I'm an African. So you can use any words that you want to use. You can use whatever that you want to use, any image that you want to use. So all these images I got from a Canva magic media. So you can also go there and then ask the AI to create you the images of your choice. So let's just start with we're gonna go to upload, and then I'm just gonna grab this image, and then what's gonna happen, I need to change the background. Don't need that background, and then I need to increase the filter. I need to add the filter on top of the image so that it can look even more beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna go to text, and then when you're in text, then we're gonna grab any text, it doesn't matter, and then we gonna write I am an African. Okay, with this, then we're gonna go to the alignment. We're gonna align the text well so that it can be on the same level with each other. So we're gonna go to the spacing also, and then we're trying to reduce the space. All right. Okay, then after this, then we need to grab the square. We need the square to cover the whole image, the whole width, like that, and then we change the color to black. All right, and then after this, we're gonna change the text to white. Okay, let's just put it here nicely, and then we're gonna go to effects, and then when you're in effects, choose hollow. So I've just chosen the hollow, and then let's just duplicate this, and then we remove this lady. So we're gonna go to share, and then we download this image as we want the current page only. So we just click download. Okay, then we change the color to, we remove the background. It's just like that. So immediately you remove the background, this it has to show that the background is been removed. You can able to see the other colors of the main image that you've added there. So we're gonna just do like this, and just to align it like that, and then you're gonna go to edit the image and go to do tone and custom, and then you change the color to white. You just remove that, and then it automatically it's gonna give you white color, and then you're gonna go back again, and then we remove this gray. We just want it to be white. All right, so we're gonna put it here and then align with the main image, and then we put it like that. Okay, just like that, and then we can just line it. Let's see if we can flip the lady, flip her around, is like that. Let's just increase the size, and it's so up. Okay, so now the color is not blending well, so we need to bring another square, and then we're gonna put it around the square with the width. We're gonna put it here. Let's just add like that and then bring it like that. So we're gonna just need to put it at the back, send it back like that. So now as you can see, it's nice. You can able to see that is coming alright. Okay, so just need to, okay, you cannot do that. Let's just bring this one to this side. You can just bring it again more here. So just like that, we've got this managed to create this trend. So I think this is the easiest method to do. Came out. So this is some of the images I created. So you can see you can do as much as you want and then use different method, or you can use different images. You don't need to use the animals. You see, I've also used the flamingo here, so it's also nice. I think it's nice. This one I was just trying to get it, but it didn't come out as nice as I was expecting. And that's all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Up until next time, thank you very much. Bye bye.